Alexander Sked. I'm a systems engineer for Erickson Air-Crane, and we're up here at Leadville, Colorado, performing some high-altitude flight testing. And along with me is Andy and Bob Williams and Dylan Buxar, another one of our systems engineers. Hello. Andy is one of our pilots, and Bob is our flight test DER from the FAA. It is the highest, and they have a great reputation for working with the testing group to help us accomplish our goal.
Well, I've been a pilot with Erickson for about a year now. Been doing primarily firefighting for the company with the U.S. Forest Service, and this is the first testing project that I'm involved in.
On the backseat here, cyclic control, which is unique to this aircraft. This whole back seat is unique. There's only one really in the world that has a backseat flying station. Cyclic is a fly-by-wire, so there's no mechanical connection. The collective is over here. It is connected mechanically yet. And in the backseat station, we don't have pedals like they do up front. The guys up front take care of that. The yaw axis. But we use this for precision placement, power line towers. A lot of anything we want requires some precision placement. We use that. Kind of doing that on some of this pole. We've got a good view back here, and it does a good job for us.
Okay.
A lot of things. There's a large percentage is firefighting, but we do helicopter logging, Malaysia, Canada, U.S., all over, and also construction in the building of the power line towers, poles, HVAC units in downtown areas and cities, on top of the tall buildings. A lot of stuff needs to be replaced up there periodically. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning units. So just a wide variety of lift work in the construction end of things. So most of those three things: fires, construction, and logging. It's high altitude training helicopter has its issues. So that's what we're doing here now is just improving our flight manual. The way we operate at high altitudes, getting some more precise data than has been collected from years ago. Just getting a little upgrade on that end. Well, originally this is a Sikorsky Sky Crane. Erickson bought the manufacturing certificate, so it's actually an Erickson Air-Crane now, as it shows on the tail. About 9,000 horsepower between the two engines up there. Rotor diameter is 72 feet. Tip to tail is about 88 feet. Roughly 20 feet tall. Max gross weight on this machine is about 42,000 pounds, and if everything's perfect down low at sea level, you can pick up 20,000 pounds on the hook. And I think I might mention before, it's the only aircraft in the world that has the aft-facing pilot station for precision placement that mostly in the construction realm we use it for. And it's not real slow, it's not real fast, but it's good for picking weight, and that's what does great. You'll see a fire tank. Later on, during these testing, it will be bolted up here, and we will be using water to get some different weight characteristics on our testing.
Yeah, we heard you say.